And you can see my ingredients here that I want to use. I see my plantain and my yam and my onions, my cubic, my pepper. Plantain now, guys. Just about to cut the plantain. You can see it now. I've cut the plantain now. Just still watch with me. Let me show you the way I cook my egg plantain. I cook my egg plantain yam. You can see it now. I'm still peeling the plantain now. You can see it. I'm still peeling the plantain now. It will take me a few minutes to finish it because I have to peel it one by one after the other. I don't want to rush. I'm just peeling it one after the other, guys. Doing it little. You can see it, guys. I'm just doing it little, guys. You can see it. I'm just doing it little, guys. You can see it now. I'm still peeling it. I'm washing the plantain and the yam now. About to boil there for a few minutes, guys. Please do watch with me, guys. I'm still boiling it now. Yam and plantain on fire now. You can see it. You have to watch with me, guys, so that let me show you the way I prepare my plantain, yam, and you can watch with me now, guys. It's getting ready. After washing it now, I've covered it for a few minutes. Then after, I will now fry the egg. After frying the egg, then I have to set the table, guys. I know it's not easy. This is my first time frying this, guys. Now I put the salt now, so that everything will look delicious and circulates together. You know that when you put the salt, and the salt will make the plantain and yam look tasty. Guys, that is why any food you cook, you have to put salt inside. You can see it now. I'm breaking the egg now. I have to fry the egg, guys. You can see it now. I have to fry the egg now. Breaking the egg now, guys. You have to watch with me. Let me show you the way I prepare my dish, guys. I take time to prepare my dish, guys. I don't rush, do my own gently. That's it now. I'm still breaking the egg because let me say I use about 6 eggs. 6 eggs. Then I have to break it one after the other. After breaking it, then I have to turn it with a spoon so that the egg will look equal together, guys. Just work with me, guys. I'm about to fry the egg now. Now I want to put the oil fire so that I will start frying the egg, guys. So just want to show you the way I prepare my egg and plantain and yam. So guys, just watch with me, guys. You can see it now. I just take the egg now. I have to put it in one place so that I have to slice the onions first because the oil is on fire already, so that oil will boil for some time before I want to put the egg inside, guys. Yeah, I have to slice my onions now. I have to peel it little by little so that I will slice it little. It's not that I have to slice onions little. It's not that big because if you slice it little, then the egg and everything will look delicious. It will look. It's not that it will look rough. You have to, because I cook my food gently. I take my time before my food we're ready to eat. I took my time, guys. I don't rush, you know that. Slice the onions now, guys. You can see the way I slice my onions. I don't rush. I cook my dish difference. This is where I slice my onions, guys, little by little. This is where I slice my onions little by little, guys. Don't rush, don't rush, don't rush. Please, today is your first day my channel, guys. You are really welcome. If you are not subscribed to my channel, guys, please do subscribe so that each time I upload video, you see notification, guys. I'm a new subscriber, welcome. I'm about to fry the egg now, guys. You can see it, but I don't use this way. I want to use this because I only use onions, I don't use tomatoes on this. And now you can see the oil is on fire now, guys. You can see it now. The egg is ready, guys. It's about to set the table now because you know the yam is done already. The yam like this is done already, guys. Here is the jack of my egg, guys. I just finished it. Now the food is ready to eat now, guys. Guys, come and eat with me, guys. I love you guys. This is your first day on my channel, guys. You are really welcome. A new subscriber, you are really welcome, guys. And don't forget to click the like button and turn notification bell on, guys. Love you guys all. Bye for now, guys. Bye.